The state-owned Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, continues to dominate the news. Among the reports of multi-million-dollar contracts, overstaffing and vandalism, there are now complaints of leaking buses being used to transport commuters. More on this report from JILLEEN PEARSON.
This picture on social media causing a stir. Commuters on a JUTC bus reportedly plying the Portmore route having to seek shelter from the rain by opening their umbrellas inside the vehicle. According to users on social media, this is nothing out of the ordinary. Many criticizing the bus company, saying it doesn't care about passengers. But the general manager of the JUTC's Greater Portmore Depot, Neville Francis, says the bus in question is not among the everyday fleet.
We don't use that bus on a day-to-day operation. It is used sparingly to possibly satisfy a demand if needs be. So that is what really happened. That bus is a 2002 bus. The fleet that we have is a H fleet, and that bus will be taken out of service as time goes by.
Commuters downtown disagree. They say on multiple routes in the corporate area, buses leak when it rains.
I'm talking about more than one Portmore bus, because that's the bus I take. The rain was falling. Sometimes even when the rain not falling, I understand it was some of them is the AC. The rain falling and there is no windows there and the rain blowing and people have to open the umbrella backing out the rain.
The people going but in no set a leak telling me in it. I mean going to say what to see it.
I was on a 77 going to Augustown. The bus was leaking, so the rain was falling constant, and therefore my whole clothes was wet. It was disastrous.
Alright, was anybody opening umbrellas or trying to shield themselves?
Yes, someone was on the bus step with the umbrella and it was also wet inside my shoes.
Mr. Francis says the problem of leaky buses is not unique to Jamaica.
I have seen, for example, when I went to Jacksonville, buses that have hole in the top and buses that are breaking down regular, and that's a first world country.
JILLEEN PEARSON, TVJ News.